India's second longest expressway through 650 kilometers of desert. AMRITSAR Jamnagar Expressway. India is undergoing a major transformation in infrastructure development, with expressways and highways playing a pivotal role in enhancing connectivity and economic growth. One of the most ambitious projects under this initiative is the AMRITSAR Jamnagar Expressway, NH754A, a 1,257-kilometer-long 6-lane-wide expressway spanning the northwestern corridor of India. This video delves into the historical background, necessity, development status, and the projected socio-economic and strategic benefits of the project. For those viewers who are interested in more information regarding the various infrastructure projects of India and their updates, please find links to videos previously uploaded in this channel via the icon button as well as within the playlist available at the end of this video. Details for this video has been gathered from news reports of April 16, 2025 and June 27, 2024. My friend, welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. Historical background and conception. Bharatmala Pariyojana and strategic vision. The AMRITSAR Jamnagar Expressway is a key component of Phase 1 of the Bharatmala Pariyojana, a centrally sponsored and funded road and highways project launched by the Government of India. The expressway is also classified under the AMRITSAR Jamnagar Economic Corridor, EC3. The conception of this expressway stems from the need to connect industrial and economic nodes across Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. With the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, NIIF, backing the financing, the project emerged as a strategic priority to enhance freight mobility, industrial linkage, and border area connectivity. Timeline of key milestones. In October 2018, completion of the Detailed Project Report, DPR. In July 2019, NIF confirms financing of the project. In October 2019, National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, invites bids for construction. April 2021, construction work commences in full swing across multiple segments. In July 2023, Rajasthan section completed and inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Reasons behind necessity. Geographical and logistical challenges. India's vast expanse and varied terrain necessitate robust transportation networks. The current journey from AMRITSAR to Jamnagar spans approximately 1,516 kilometers, taking nearly 26 hours to complete due to congestion, urban intersections, and poor road conditions. The AMRITSAR Jamnagar Expressway will reduce the travel distance to 1,316 kilometers and the time to just 13 hours, enabling faster movement of goods and people. Industrial connectivity. A major impetus for the expressway is its role in connecting three major oil refineries: HML Bathinda, Punjab; HPCL Barmer, Rajasthan; RIL Jamnagar, Gujarat. It will also interlink significant energy facilities like Guru Nanak Dev Thermal Plant, Bathinda; Suratgarh Super Thermal Power Plant, Sri Gangangar. This strategic linkage is crucial for ensuring seamless supply chains in India's petrochemical and energy sectors. Project scope and route details. Total length and states covered. The expressway spans a total of 1,257 kilometers, making it the second longest expressway in India after the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, 1,350 kilometers. It traverses through four states: Punjab, from AMRITSAR to Bathinda; Haryana, intersecting economic and logistical hubs; Rajasthan, 655 kilometers, through the Thar Desert; Gujarat, terminating at Jamnagar. Thar Desert Challenge. Approximately 650 kilometers of the expressway runs through the arid Thar Desert in Rajasthan, passing through districts such as Hanumangarh, Bikaner, Jodhpur, Barmer, and Jalore. This section is particularly challenging due to the harsh climatic conditions, shifting sand dunes, and limited vegetation, requiring innovative engineering and environmental solutions. Technical specifications. Length: 1,257 kilometers, reduced from 1,430 kilometers via optimized routing. A design: 6-lane, expandable to 8 lanes. Maximum speed limit: 100 kilometers per hour. Construction packages: 30 segments tendered and built in parallel. Estimated cost: 80,000 Indian rupees crore including land acquisition. Greenfield sections, notably AMRITSAR, Bathinda and segments in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Connectivity with other corridors. Integrates with Ludhiana to Bathinda, Ajmer Expressway, Pathankot, Ajmer Economic Corridor. Links with Delhi-Katra Expressway, improving access to northern India. Offers enhanced connectivity from Gujarat to Kashmir. Current status and progress. As of April 2025, the expressway has achieved the following development milestones. A Rajasthan section, 655 kilometers completed and inaugurated, July 2023. Punjab-Haryana segments, nearing completion. Amritsar, Bathinda stretch in advanced stages. The Gujarat sections, under accelerated construction from Santalpur to Jamnagar. The overall completion date, expected by December 2025. Foreseen benefits. 1. Economic and industrial upliftment. The expressway will establish a high-speed industrial corridor, catalyzing economic activity in underdeveloped and semi-urban regions. With smoother logistics, businesses in the textile, agro-processing, cement, chemical and energy sectors will gain significantly. 2. Cost and time efficiency. With a halving of travel time and reduced fuel consumption, the expressway will directly lower logistics costs, estimated to reduce by 30 to 40% for freight operators. These savings will boost competitiveness for Indian manufacturers. 3. Regional development. The project promotes regional parity by integrating remote areas of Rajasthan into mainstream economic routes. Cities and towns such as Moga, Hanumangarh, Suratgarh, Nagaur, Barmer, and Sanchor will see increased investment and employment opportunities. 4. Military and strategic advantages. Given the proximity to India's western border, the expressway also holds strategic military importance. It will allow for rapid mobilization of defense forces and supply chains in times of emergency or conflict. Environmental and social considerations. Environmental management. Constructing an expressway through the ecologically fragile Thar desert required extensive environmental planning. Sand stabilization through geotextiles and vegetation. The use of recycled water for construction in water-scarce zones. Wildlife crossings to preserve biodiversity corridors. Social impact. The project has led to resettlement and rehabilitation programs for displaced communities, a job creation during construction and future highway service infrastructure, toll plazas, logistics hubs, future planning and outlook, smart expressway infrastructure. The AMRITSAR Jamnagar Expressway will incorporate smart features such as electronic toll collection etc., vehicle tracking systems, highway traffic management systems, HTMS, emergency response facilities, integration with future corridors. Plans are underway to further integrate the expressway with the Delhi-Amritsar Katra Expressway for pilgrimage and tourism connectivity, dedicated freight corridors DFCs, and logistics parks for multimodal transport efficiency. Role in India's infrastructure vision. The expressway will play a key role in India's $5 trillion economy ambition, ensuring reliable infrastructure to support Make in India, Digital India, and energy security goals. Conclusion. The Amritsar Jamnagar Expressway is more than a roadway, it's a transformative national project. It symbolizes India's infrastructural renaissance, uniting energy hubs, reducing travel inefficiencies, and spurring economic growth across diverse terrains, from the agricultural fields of Punjab to the oil-rich lands of Gujarat. Its strategic design, engineering innovations, and massive scale demonstrate a new benchmark in expressway development. As it nears completion in 2025, the expressway is poised to become a lifeline of industrial, strategic, and regional progress in northwestern India. Stay tuned for further developments on these projects. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. Thank you.